This training is going to cover inserting or embedding videos. To insert or embed a video, simply going to click in the Wysiwyg editor wherever we'd like to place the video. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and go underneath the policies paragraph here and hit return. So this is where my video will go. Once I've done that, I'll go up to the Insert, Edit, Embedded Media option. When I click on that, it's going to default to YouTube. If I start typing, I have ones here that I've already used, but you could simply copy and paste the embed or the share link from a YouTube video and put it in here. We do request that you only link to videos from UNK YouTube channels, but YouTube is the recommended way to get videos on the page because YouTube is obviously set up to stream videos. Once I select my video and I click in dimensions, it's going to automatically fill in the dimensions. I can adjust this if I wanted to make this larger or smaller, depending on. You can break the proportions. You're not going to distort a video by breaking the proportions. You're just going to reduce the black bar on top and bottom. So in this case, you can see I have a lot less black bar on top and bottom. And then I can click the constrain proportions again, and now if I changed it from this size, it's going to keep that proportion. Beyond YouTube, you do have several other options. You have HTML5 video and audio. For those, you would have to have the file uploaded to the system, but typically won't work on our system because the file size would be too large for a video. So we don't typically use these. Other than that, Flash and QuickTime Flash is not supported on most devices anymore, and QuickTime is proprietary, so I wouldn't recommend using either of those. The other option would be to iframe something in. In all of those situations, you're basically just going to paste in the URL of your video, and it'll do the rest for you. You can also click the embed code and paste embed code in here, or view the embed code that's going to be put on the page. Don't really need to do anything with it, but it is an option. And last, you have Advanced, which allows you to do some alignments in vertical and horizontal spacing. Most of the time, you're not aligning videos too much, so you don't really adjust a whole lot. They would fill in a name for the video, and in this case, this is an ISS video, so I would just put ISS. Normally, I'd be a little more descriptive, but for training purposes, that's enough. This is if somebody's using a screen reader and hits the video, they at least have an idea of what that video is. Then we'll just simply click Insert. It's going to put a placeholder on the page. Once I submit the page and I get a preview of the page, you'll see the video. Until then, it's just going to be a placeholder. As you can see, here's the video. I can play the video right here. I'm going to go back into the edit screen and just couple more things that you can do. You can also click on it and like with an image, click and drag and adjust the size. I can also click on it and either right click and go back to the Insert Edit Media or click on the icon to get back to my settings.